We present to you Metal Texture Tutorial by Herrera and Buenaventura. In this tutorial, we have decided to have an image of Saint Sebastian, being the patron saint of San Sebastian College, Recoletas, Manila. So who is Saint Sebastian? Saint Sebastian. Saint Sebastian was born in 256 AD at Narbonne, France. At the age of 27, he joined the Roman army ostensible to be service to other Christians who were being persecuted by the Romans. Finally being discovered in 286 AD to be a Christian and refusing to renounce his faith, he was killed by archers who pierced him with arrows. He survived and was healed by Saint Arian but was later killed by blows of club. We decided to have this image of Saint Sebastian located at Saint Augustine Building or the Law Building. Moving on, first is to open the image that you want to be edited. First is click File, Open, and the image you want to edit. Once it is open, click Alt Scroll for the image to be magnified. Then use the Quick Selection tool to highlight the parts that you want to be cropped. In some cases, you may highlight unnecessary parts. In this case, you may use Alt to change to the negative sign of the arrow to deselect the unnecessary parts. Then carefully highlights what you want. You may also increase or magnify more the image for it to be perfectly selected. Make sure that each edge is defined. Once it is selected, you may click Ctrl J to duplicate the cropped image. Then click Layer 1. And you can see there the selected part of the image. Next is Ctrl Shift U to make it black and white. And then duplicate the layer. Click the Layer 1 copy and then click Filter, Noise. It may be a range of 3 to 5 or 5 per 4 depending on what you want. Then click OK. Next is to click Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and 2. It also depends on the blur that you wanted. Then Control click, Duplicate Layer. This is now for displacement. Change it to New and rename it as Displacement and save it to your desktop. Once saved, you may open then go back to the plane. Click the Layer 2 then Control, and press it on the cupcake-like portion of the panel below. And then Layer 2, Control Delete. Next is to open the metal texture or any texture that you want to replace the texture of your image. Drag the texture to the activity plane and make sure that each edge fit into the entire picture. Once done, click the check button. Then press Ctrl A, Image Crop, and then Ctrl D. Then click Layer 2, Filter, Distort Displays, and make it both at 40. Then click OK. Click on the box on the layer 1, the small box on the layer 1, then you may check again the image. Click on layer 2. Going back, you can see the pattern and click the FX on the below panel. Then click Normal Overlay. Now you can see the image. The bronze image or the wood image has been replaced by a metal texture. Last is to save it. That's all, thank you.